All right, here's the chain. Brand new power cables, brand new coolant tubes. Kind of cleaned up the spaghetti. It still looks crappy, but there's not a lot of things you can do with that. The wires go where they go. Yeah, gotta do a couple more customizations. And then I can put this thing completely back together and we can try to get it going. It doesn't have a motor. It goes by electromagnetics. It's like super space aged, so can't wait to see it work. Big rolls. This prints 16-foot media. So like billboard size stuff. That was loud. Ow. Yeah, good times. Right now I'm sorting through ink tanks. Nice.